All right, I don't know how to say this, but basically, we messed up. We messed up pretty bad. Yo, what is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new video. And today what we're going to be doing is hopefully putting my motor back into my car. I did take delivery of the motor the other day, about like 3 days ago, and I didn't record that because I didn't have my lens and it wasn't really too exciting. I just got off of work, went over to my builder's house, picked up the motor, came back home and dropped it off. And that was basically what I did. And then what I am in the process of doing is my boy Julian is on his way. He is going to help me paint the motor before we put it in. We're supposed to do it yesterday, but it was kind of complicated with the scheduling. So we're going to try to do it today. Hopefully it will dry and everything like that. And then we can put the motor back into the car today. And I have my boy Jordan coming over as well. He's going to be helping us put the motor in and with all the little stuff. All right, so this is the current situation with the motor. We painted this back side right here. We still have to do the top. Still got to do the top. And we're going to do the other side. I kind of messed it up. I don't really want to show that on camera, but we didn't really do that too well. So we're going to finish painting that. And then when we paint that, we're going to be finished painting the transmission as well. This is how that came out. It came out pretty nice. I don't know if I'm going to use clear coat or not, but it's looking pretty nice so far right now. So I might just keep it like that. And then we're hopefully going to be putting in the new parts that I have. All right, so I don't think I showed this on camera, but I finally got a new Clutch Masters flywheel, and we're going to be putting that onto the motor as well. Got the ARP flywheel bolts, ultra torque flywheel bolts, Clutch Masters. This is a Clutch Masters flywheel. It's kind of expensive, but on this build right now, I'm going to be basically going all out. So this is the Clutch Masters. This is the, I guess you can say the part number. Right there, that's the part number right there. If you guys do want to get the 14-pound flywheel for the Toyota Camry from Clutch Masters, this is going to be the same one that I'm going to be running. And I have a clutch as well. And I forgot what brand clutch this was, but it is a 6-puck clutch, as you guys can see. 6-puck clutch, and then it comes with the pressure plate as well. The boxes are stacked up. Also, I have my Borg Warner turbo right there that is going to be going on in about 2 weeks or so. And, all right, so as you guys can tell, there's a lot of junk around right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be moving my mom's truck, and then I'm going to be cleaning out the garage, and hopefully I can get it nice and spacious by the time everybody shows up to my house. And then we're just going to get right into working. We're going to paint the motor and then do everything else. Alright, so my boy Julian finally showed up in his truck. He's never been in the videos before, but say what's good.
What's up? You ready?
What's on?
Ready to go get some food?
Oh, already? Yeah, I just started cleaning.
You just started cleaning?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I mean, it's not much.
Yeah, it's not.
Just gotta move some boxes and stuff. But yeah, we can go get food. You have space? We can. Yeah, you're right. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting coffee and all of that before we start working. I just started cleaning the garage. If you guys can see that right over there. But yeah, I'm going to come back at you guys when we are back. Alright guys, so we basically cleaned up the garage a little bit, if you can see the stuff behind me. And we actually pulled the car in halfway so we can finish start putting the motor into the car. And Julian did finish the paint for the most part for the motor, and I'm gonna show you that in a second. We took the hood off and all of that. Now we're just gonna, you know, jack up the car, change the motor mounts in the bottom, and then we're gonna get into putting the parts onto the motor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna time lapse for you guys and show you guys, you know, the process that we're gonna be doing, and then I'm gonna update you every so often, basically to, you know, keep in track. All right, so basically, we took off the hood right over here, as you guys can see, and the car's in the garage. Julian finished painting the motor, and it's coming out pretty good. No, it's coming out great. And there's the transmission right there. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Let me focus it for you guys. Yep, that's the transmission. This is the other side of the motor, finally looking good. I really didn't want to show you guys this side because it was bad. But now we're just gonna create a little bit more space and get to rolling. Got all the tools, everything here, already cleaned out. In here, there's a lot of wiring, and yeah, let's get ready for this install. We get these this plate. Oh, you have alcohol? Yes, thank you. We can clean that off before.
Yeah, I have alcohol.
And that's for the pressure plate.
But you're not using these, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna use this. They're brand new. They don't come with it. Alright, so this is the clutch master, wiring.
Flip it around.
Chunky beef.
All right, I don't know how to say this, but basically, we messed up. We messed up pretty bad. So we did get the engine on the lift, and we did get the transmission as well. As I was bolting up the transmission, we heard a pop, and comes to find out that basically the casing for the motor, the bottom portion that's really thin, broke. And I thought I was gonna have to get a new whole bottom portion or something like that and get it resealed. But my engine builder said it's fixable, it just has to be welded. So that's good. So we're not gonna finish this video or finish the dropping in the motor in this video. We're gonna do it in a different video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you exactly what happened. All right, so this is the piece right here that actually broke. This right here is the piece that broke, and I'll show you all the way down here. All right, so we were bolting up the transmission, and we did that bolt there and this bolt here, and then we had a bolt on the bottom right where this broke, as you guys can see. And yeah, it's not looking too good. Basically, I don't know, I guess it wasn't mated correctly or wasn't torqued down all the way, but whatever happened broke that part. I know I look so sweaty and all this other stuff, but we were right there. We had most of the things bolted up that we needed to before we dropped before we dropped the motor into the car. So I have to find a fabricator to come to me and weld that piece together. And on the other side, a different part cracked as well. I don't know how, but I just got to see if I can get that welded up and fixed. So next week we're gonna try again and basically put the motor into the car. We're right there. We just need to put about like 2 mounts in, and then we gotta put the serpentine belt, and basically we're done, literally. And then we just drop it straight in. Yo, what is going on? So we got Kevin and Julian back over here in the background.
Kevin come first.
Julian and Kevin, we have we have them in the background, but basically the guy is about to start welding the piece back on. This is gonna be a continuation of this video. Basically, he wants to go get the welding wire because he kind of forgot that at home, but he'll be back in like 5 minutes. And when he comes back, I'm gonna show you guys more of the content on what he did. I showed you guys a couple of clips ago, and yeah, whenever he comes back, I'm gonna update you guys.